Right, there you go, that's the front wheel. You've got the manifold, comes down on a single pipe, goes to a silencer box in the middle, runs towards the back, and you've got another silencer box. Then above the rear differential unit, it kind of branches into two, and then each side is the same here. So it comes round there and then runs back towards the front of the car, and just before the front wheel it comes back out the side, and that's the bit you can see from the outside with the guard around it, and it runs all the way back to just before the rear wheel, and it comes out of there. So that's how my one's fitted.